Welcome to your Internet Basics tutorial. In this training, you will be learning how to navigate online for everyday Internet usage. Through a series of videos, I will introduce user-friendly websites such as Google Search Engine, Amazon, Gmail, and Facebook to teach you how to find information, shop, and communicate using the Internet. We will review essential information for each website in the videos, and then test your knowledge. Let's get started. First, let's review a few key terms for navigating the Internet. Just like any topic, the Internet has terms for specific actions that everyone should know. For instance, see the item moving around on the screen. This is a mouse or cursor. The mouse is used to click on links, which bring you to new information. Now the entire screen is called a web page. Links bring you from web page to web page on the Internet. Multiple linked web pages create a website, like the website created for this tutorial. If we go into a search engine like Google, we see there are several items we need to know how to use. At the top of each page there is a long bar called a browser. This allows you to type in websites, which typically start as www. The www is an address location, only online. This is a website location rather than a physical location. You will typically use the browser if you know the exact address of a website. However, it can be used as a search bar as well. In Google, which is known as a search engine, you can search for items and websites using the search bar on the web page. Let's look up Billie Holiday. Another handy feature to know is the back and forward buttons typically located at the top left of the screen. These buttons allow you to bring up the last page you were on, like so. Back and forward buttons can also be found in websites for navigating from web page to web page. Lastly, something you will see frequently on web pages and websites are login or sign-in buttons. Sign-in buttons are useful for accessing your accounts. An account is created for your own personal and private information, such as items you are purchasing or email you received. While navigating this tutorial, please be mindful of a few things. In test pages, make sure to hover over the item you are going to click to see if it is active. Here, I am not clicking or tapping anything, but just moving the mouse over the page. Active links are links you can click on to go to a new web page. The mouse will turn from an arrow into a hand if the item can bring you to a new web page. Each page has 2 wrong answers and 1 right answer, with the right answer bringing you to a new question. After you are finished with each lesson, you will be redirected to the map, which is also known as a home page. Once you have completed the 4 lessons and the final test, you have the option of reviewing the additional resources and going beyond the basics. In additional resources, you will find all the links of the website mentioned in this tutorial. In Beyond the Basics, you will find additional videos explaining more advanced topics. I hope you find this tutorial informative and helpful. Enjoy!